Hello everyone, we are here live at the Addison at Windermere. I just wanted to show you our firework view. Of course, viewing it in person is so much better. But we just wanted to give you a glimpse of what your view can be from your patio. See, this is our pool area. Here are our apartments. You can sit out right on your patio, glass of wine, just watch all the fireworks. This happens every single night. Not sure if you can see it. My favorite is the grand finale, which is like another 10 or 15 minutes from now, but there's more. I'm actually just going to pause this and just walk right outside these pool gates so that these don't obstruct our view. And I will be right back.